What?
Got some rust and stuff on the hatch.
Yeah, well, yeah, I knew that.
You know, just a little shit starting up around all the holes.
Yeah.
So, you know, everything over here around all the holes is all starting that shit where the screw holes go.
Yeah.
So I did all that gloss too.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it was rusting around there.
All the parts are put together. Well, that's what it all starts on these things.
Yeah.
I think they used to replace them, didn't they, at Ford?
Yeah. Hey, let's see. How many years ago?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you know, we had all the rust up here. That's what started the whole project.
Right.
Right up here. All right, what's up, guys? So for those of you not familiar with my Foxbody Mustang, I'm just going to give you a little bit of backstory on what's going on here. So right now, this car is at the body shop. Now, I've owned this car since 2010. All right, I've had it painted a couple times. There still were some things that I wasn't 100% happy with. I brought it over to a friend of mine who owns a body shop here in town. Actually, initially, he was just storing the vehicle for me for a little while until I was able to get a garage to put it into. Now, initially, the biggest problem that I brought it there for was right at the back where the roof line meets the hatch. There was quite a bit of rust there, and this is a common rust area for these vehicles. So what I did was I actually bought a donor roof from a 90 Mustang. Okay, mine is an 86. This donor roof has a sunroof in it. My car was not originally a sunroof car, so I bought a sunroof. I bought, you know, all the trim and everything. Also have some SVO panels that I asked them to put in. Cobra OEM wing, new glass all around. Somebody before I owned the car was using electric sander, and I guess they sanded up all the glass and it had swirl marks everywhere. So basically I just said I'm just going to change all the glass. There were a couple minor little dents and dings, some more rust along the back of the hatch. He's working on that. Basically the car is pretty decent. It's a pretty solid car. So the car was metallic black. It was a PXR is the paint code, a Dodge paint code, and I think it's a metallic black pearl or something like that. So anyway, initially I was gonna go with black metallic again. I thought about it and I was like, you know what, go gloss black. So as you can see, they already went ahead and painted the underside of the hood. They painted the inside of the engine bay as much as they could with the engine in it, and they started to paint along the inside of the hatch. They've already pulled the doors off and started working on those. I gave them all new hardware for the doors since they were starting to sag a little bit. Quite a number of things. I dropped the car off there a while ago, so I'm trying to remember everything, but there were a few different things that I was getting done. He started working on it recently, so it looks like it's moving along, and I just wanted to kind of check in and see how it was going, and that's where this video comes from. Further videos down the line after I get the vehicle back, I'll go into a little more detail on the build and everything that's been done to it since I've owned it. Because they all rust, well, a lot of them rust up here.
Some distance there, but the weight of that new spoiler, I gotta put that on there. That's ready for paint too.
Okay.
So,
and you got the hinges for the new door hardware because they were sagging. I gave you all the new door hardware.
Right. Yeah, these are all painted too. All painted. So yeah, we'll do the pencil bushings on here. That one I gotta put another glass in it again.
Yeah. See, here's the original. I think the original car color. It's red.
That was the original color?
I believe so. Actually, yeah. You know why? When I got the car in 2010, the title said red. So it's a red car.
Did you change it on your title? I think you just left it that way.
I think in the Florida title it's black now, but in the Jersey title it was red. Yeah.
Yeah, these will plug and play, but I had a couple of little issues there on that one door. We gotta figure that one out and put it back on. But just taking, like I said, eat all the pieces and cleaning them before you put them back together. Okay. Oh, so the side panels I have. I'm gonna paint those up.
Okay.
You know the side panels?
Oh, the sail panels that go behind the window?
Paint them on there.
Okay.
Because a couple of the studs are a little funky. I don't remember how they went originally.
Oh yeah.
Everything goes in. I mean, they're not coming off once you put them in. It's the same urethane from the windshield.
Okay.
You know
Yeah, those panels are from the SVO.
Okay.
They're from the SVO Mustangs. I just kind of like the way they look.
Jesus Christ, these parts are hard to come by.
Yeah.
I got a guy sending me. That freaking tire was too big for practice.
Oh yeah, I know you just.
Little extension.
You say you just threw some random tires. I need to wheel it around, right?
Yeah, and I guess when we went up the curve with it, cracked that.
Oh yeah, you told me about that.
This is 85 and 86 ohm.
Yeah.
Fender is shit. I forget what they said, like 85 to 93 maybe?
Yeah, because the 84 is, this part is different in the middle here.
Right. Then it's got the one with the hole in it here.
Yeah, that's
like
the.
an air vent thing?
I think that's the GT only, and this is not really it's not real GT. It's
LX?
LX. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an LX.
Yeah. So I'm thinking, how hard could this be? So finally I found somebody that got one.
Oh, okay.
One of those guys like CJ Pony or something.
Oh, CJ Pony.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, he was telling me $250
Oh, really?
for one of those.
Man, I haven't seen the inside of my car in a while.
I just vacuumed it all out, blew it all out, and what we did. Got the seats cleaned up and ready to put in, so I'm gonna put the back in and the trim panels in back there.
Did you figure out the sunroof?
I got one drain in and the other drain's still out, which to get to. I haven't figured out the headliner, I just gotta take the time to look at it. I guess we're gonna cut a hole in it, and, it's a hole. It's
What
not
else?
Like, I don't know what the trim is supposed to look like.
Yeah. What else can you do?
Thought I'd come up with. I think the guy off the bar's got a couple.
Okay.
My guy Brian, he has lives down in Fort St. John. He's got a
What, Foxbodies?
he's got a Foxbody. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
he's got a Foxbody doing his garage.
All right. Cool. Yeah, I was thinking about it the other day. I'm like, I've dropped the car here a while ago, and I'm trying to remember everything I left you.
Yeah,
The parts.
I thought I was going through it part at a time.
Yeah.
Picking out the hardware and hinges and figured out the doors. I was going to put them back together, and then I said, you know what? I got to use the new hardware. So
Yeah, these are old, and then the cardboard in the back gets a little flimsy and stuff. But
these ones are a bit particular, but a little bit different than some of the other stuff.
I got these from a guy in Canada. Yeah. When I was converting the interior to black because it was blue. So I think they're really off an 83. These.
My nephew told me the other day I was doing something in the shop and walking around with my grandson
Yeah.
with a video camera.
Yeah.
And then I guess my nephew must have seen the video. What's that Foxbody over there? What's that? What are you talking about?
He spotted it?
What video? I didn't send you a video, but I guess my sister must have showed it to him. And, then after the day we were moving it, turning it around, I was outside with it.
Oh yeah.
What was it? I said, no.
Yeah, I know you had it trapped in here, blocked in with some other stuff for a little while.
Yeah. Oh, God. Getting stuff out of there, getting all the parts out of there.
Yeah.
Some of the stuff is easy and some of the stuff is a pain in the ass. I think the most is that's a bolt-on piece, believe it or not.
Okay.
Separate from the molding. That lower.
Oh, the lower piece. Yeah, it's broken. Okay.
Yeah. It's got little stanchions on it.
It's separate from the rest of the front?
Yeah. So you get a Fender without one on it.
Oh, I see. It's separated, yeah.
Yeah, it's separated. It's got these little stanchions that sit on it. It bolts all the way through the same way. It's just a little bit different. So it's even separate from the molding. It's just from there down.
Wait until you see the wheels I got for this car. They're gonna look nice. I had 18s on it, but they looked a little big. I went back down to 17s.
So it looks a little better.
And just a bigger tire, but yeah.
Yeah.
The 18s in the front looked a little weird to me. I don't know.
All right, good. So we won't do that flat black then. Do everything gloss.
No, do everything gloss. The only thing I was...
That's what the problem is here. You can just touch that and it cracks that flat black shit. It just walks right off.
Yeah, it cracked there and it cracked
Yeah.
here.
Everybody's doing the same thing. They're just trying to tape it out, flat black it out, just to cover it up.
Yeah, yeah, just make it all gloss. The only thing I'm thinking, what do you think about the window trim in the front and the back? Maybe that should be flat black, no? The trim that goes here, and also the piece that goes here, and the cow and the
yeah,
cowl.
No, they're, I already did them on.
They're flat.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want those
I'll do
flat.
them over again. Yeah.
But the trim on the body could be gloss. Cool.
That's why you had trouble back there. We just kept blacking them out with spray foams and cracking it off and cracking it off. That and then Mexico was the only body work had.
And it was the same one inside the engine bay. It was a shitty flat black, like that really rough paint.
I tried putting primer on it, it just cracked out. So we stripped that all around the bolts and everything. I stripped that down the bare and put epoxy primer and then the gloss paint. I thought it looked better.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I love the way it looks. All
I
right.
think the gloss is a good idea though. And I like the black better than the black metallic anyway.
Yeah. I thought about it. I think that's a better way to go.
Black and night is not going to beat it. Especially with this, like, that's a big ass freaking spoiler. You're really going to notice it.
Oh yeah.
And those pistons refit because that thing will knock you in the fucking.
That's the Cobra spoiler.
Yeah. Did you change those pistons for that?
Huh?
Those pistons back there. They're fucking horrible.
Oh yeah. Because the other ones were shot.
Yeah, but they're fucking stout. I thought maybe you got extra stout ones for those.
The hatch struts are, I don't know what they are, but yeah, they are stout. Yeah. When you put the spoiler back on, it should be okay.
Right. That'll lock tape for the weight.
Can you paint this flat black? Because the chrome is wearing off of it anyway.
Is that what that was?
It's just a chrome aftermarket piece. And you see the chrome's wearing off?
So just paint it all black?
What do you think?
Yeah. You'll still get the effect that you have now. I mean, it's not going to, it'll look better than what's there, actually.
Because it's worn out now.
Yeah. Black it out. That's a little
If I don't like it, I could just change the emblem later on.
I had an older Capri that was that same color.
Okay.
Back in the day, like a 78, 79. And
This body style?
Yeah.
So probably a 79, I guess.
79, V6.
Yeah.
Old RS. Remember they had an RS one?
Yes. I've seen them.
RS, yeah.
You don't see a lot of them, but I have seen them. I've seen them at shows.
Yeah, I did a bunch of those old ones back there. We had a guy that worked for up there. He had a fucking hot rod Capri. Remember that old German style one? Remember that?
No, that I don't remember. Maybe if I saw it.
So if you go back to like 76,
Mm-hmm.
the Capri was a German style. It was made in Germany.
Oh, okay.
A V6 that had like a longer front end. They were different looking.